Hey team, this is a video blog from Melissa Culver. I am showcasing some innovative tools that are available to us in our area. And this is the primary reason why I have not been updating my blog like I normally do. And this is why you're not getting an email every single week, because I'm busy doing the background skeletal components to make these launch so that I can teach them well in our area. So our area was awarded $12,000 in grants this year. We received $2,000 from the Toshiba Foundation of America to buy filament for a 3D printer that we have on the Copper Hills campus. And then in addition to the $2,000 grant from the Toshiba Foundation of America, the Foundation for Clovis Unified Schools also gave us $10,000. With that $10,000, we were able to purchase 12 programmable robots and 12 iPads and the mobile carts that make that resource mobile. So if you want to move something like that from campus to campus, then you need some type of bin with wheels and a lock. And so we are extraordinarily thankful for their generosity and can't wait for all of that to get into the classroom. These robots are from Wonder Workshop, and they are the Dash robot. Students are able to use Blockly or a block-style coding in order to program those robots to do what they want them to do. And then I was asked by the communications team to head out to the superintendent's breakfast. It is an event that occurs once every year so that people in our community are able to see exactly what Clovis Unified is doing. And there are generous contributors who make these grants possible. So here's just a small snapshot of what that superintendent's breakfast looked like. The grant that we received for the Dash robots also included launching mechanisms as well as pinching mechanisms. In addition to that, we also had markers and erasable mats so that as the robots are moving across those mats, the students are able to code what it is they want the robot to write. So again, we're very thankful for that generous donation that the Foundation for Clovis Schools provided to the Clovis North area. Thank you so much for that. The filament will be used for our 3D printers, and right now some of the prints that I have been doing are specific to science as well as serving students in our blind community. Mountain View houses a specialized program to serve students who have vision impairments and mobility needs. And as those students are looking at the world around them through touch-oriented sensory, I've been producing several flexible animals for them to explore. And while they hold these flexible animals, they're able to explore and talk about the type of movement strategies that these animals use, food that they eat, environments that they move in, and things of that nature. In addition to that, I plan to utilize more builds specifically for special ed, but absolutely every build that we use can be used not only in the specialized classrooms, but in addition to the regular ed classrooms as well. Each year, the Computer Using Educators Conference is housed not only in the Northern California area, but then in the spring there's also another conference in the Southern California area, and I just got back from the Rancho Cordova area to explore and understand technology in the classroom. One of the breakout sessions that I went to was hosted by 3 educators who are familiar with the website by the name of makecode.org, also known as makecode.com. And we went into the arcade and we looked at how those specific coding resources can be downloaded and transported into what's called a meowbit, which is a handheld gaming device. So as students are working with block coding, not only can they explore the block coding on a computer, but they can also transfer that into a handheld device and learn about early coding strategies. On my YouTube channel, I recently uploaded a video explaining how makecode.com works. And I was able to showcase the video by the name of Chase the Pizza. If you're curious about that, head over to my YouTube channel, click on that video, and see what happens there. In addition to all these other innovative resources, I have also had an opportunity to work with some teachers as we explore green screen technology. There are so many pictures that I'm unable to post for security reasons, but this specific resource can be utilized in a variety of different ways. And this specific class is studying Native American groups in California. And these students felt like they were transported to that region or area or time, and they were able to have pictures taken of themselves. Each of these pictures landed in their Google Slide presentations, and the children smiled with delight, wonder, and amazement as they saw themselves transported to a different area. Email me or talk to me if you're curious about green screen technology and how this resource can influence your classroom. On Apple devices, there are two options. There's a free app, and then there's also one that you pay for. So if you're curious about green screen technology, you can explore the paid version or the free version. My YouTube channel, you can do a Google search for Melissa Culver YouTube, and I am the top search. That's one way that you can find me. Another way that you can find my YouTube channel is that you can head over to my website, which is melissaculver.com, and then right there in that brown band, it says head here to get to my YouTube channel. I won't email you each time I release a brand new video on YouTube. However, if you would like to receive automated emails from YouTube, you can click on the subscribe button right here once you have found my channel. After you click the red subscribe button, a bell will appear on the right-hand side. Click on the bell. From the drop-down menu, choose the word All. From this point forward, YouTube will automatically send you updates whenever new content arrives on my channel. My blog is also available there. You can click on my blog. I'm not doing a great job of updating it this year because I'm busy with all of these projects. But for any of that older content that was there, then you're more than welcome to see what was once there. In addition to that, I'm also posting what I'm doing here on Twitter. So my Twitter handle is @CulverTechTools, and you'll be able to find more about the things that we are doing in that area over here. Team, thanks so much for your curiosity and your innovative spirit and your willingness to explore new technology. Thanks so much for paying attention to this video all the way to the very end, and have a great day. Bye-bye.